Hey guys, welcome back. Today, I want to talk about an app that's climbing the charts in the social networking space Bear Fruit. It's designed to help families grow together in their faith, marriage, and parenting, all while connecting with like minded people. Kesh. What is Bear Fruit? Bear Fruit aims to create a supportive community for families to nurture their relationships, faith, and personal growth. It's all about helping marriages and families thrive. The app provides instant access to practical life courses, monthly giveaways from cash prizes to dream family vacations, weekly live Q&A videos, daily devotionals and community discussions. Membership details. Monthly subscription, $7. Yearly subscription, $69. There's no free trial, so you need to subscribe immediately to access content. My thoughts. While the app offers a lot, there are some concerns. It's fairly new, with limited ratings, and many users on Reddit have mentioned issues with the app's rushed description and lack of transparency. Some even suggest that it could be a scam. If you're considering using this app, I recommend checking out reviews and Reddit posts to see others' experiences before diving in. Hope this helped, and if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.